Great passive income ideas for you. Income from passive sources is widely desired, but sometimes misunderstood. Investment up front and a lot of nurturing are necessary for passive revenue streams in the beginning. These income streams begin to develop with time and effort and are able to sustain themselves, delivering you continuous money with little work on your side. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about some great income ideas for you. Let's see what we have for you to make massive profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. Speaking from personal experience, incorporating passive income streams into your portfolio can significantly boost your income and help you reach your financial objectives. For instance, starting with real estate with Fundraise for just $500 will help you achieve your other goals and increase your income. For instance, you can employ passive income sources to hasten your financial independence or assist you in paying off debt. Here are some things you should know before starting to make passive income. You must invest money up front in order to earn passive income later using these sorts of incomes. But don't worry, with some of these suggestions, you can start with just $5, making it accessible for everyone. First, dividend stocks. A tried and true technique to generate passive income is through dividend stocks. Finding solid stocks will require extensive research, and investing a sizable sum of money will result in sizable dividend checks. However, if you continually put money into dividend stocks, you can eventually build up a comfortable residual income. Make sure to register an account at the top online brokerage so you may get rewards while investing in any of these options. M1 Finance is where we like to invest the most. M1 Finance is a free investing platform that enables you to create a portfolio and make investments in it. You may not be familiar with it. Residential rentals. A rental home with a positive cash flow is a great method to generate monthly income. You can hire a management business to handle the property's upkeep if you want to make this completely passive. Nonetheless, investment in rental homes is now simpler than ever thanks to the internet. Depending on your objectives and interests, there are numerous ways to invest in rental homes. You can buy homes and become a landlord online, or you can become a limited partner in big residential or commercial properties. Purchase single-family homes. Check out Roofstock if you're searching for a more conventional approach to real estate investing. This business enables you to purchase single-family rentals that have a good cash flow online. You can register right now and start looking for properties. Money market funds and high-yield savings accounts. A high-yield savings account or money market fund is a good location to store your money if you don't want to think too much about it but yet want it to work for you. The type of account and the locations are different. Banks typically provide high-interest savings accounts, which are FDIC guaranteed. Money market funds are occasionally FDIC insured and can be found at both banks and investment firms. Increasing your savings might create a secure passive income stream because interest rates have been growing. Opportunities for passive income from crypto. Due to the fact that they offer significantly greater rates of returns on your money, cryptocurrency savings accounts have grown in popularity over the past year. Remember that these aren't actually savings accounts. These are loan and investing accounts that make it easy for you to earn a high yield on your cryptocurrency. Hodlnaut and Celsius are two common choices. At these locations, you can get up to 12.5% on your investment, but there are hazards. You might also consider lending, staking, or purchasing NFTs with your cryptocurrency. These are many ways to make passive income with cryptocurrency. You can find a comprehensive explanation here: how to make passive income with crypto. CD ladders. In order to increase your return on investment, you must purchase CDs or certificates of deposit from banks in predetermined increments. Banks provide CDs which have a low rate of return due to their low-risk nature. The risk-averse should consider this alternative. For instance, you could follow these steps if you wanted a ladder of 5-year CDs. Look at the rates, estimated upward trends throughout various time periods. 2.50% for 1-year CD, 2.90% for 2-year CD, 3.05% for 3-year CDs, 3.10% for a 4-year CD, and 3.15% for a 5-year CD. You can simply continue with the conventional high-return savings account or money market fund if creating a CD ladder sounds difficult. Even though the returns aren't as great as those from other items on our list, it's still passive income and better than nothing. Annuities. An insurance policy that you purchase, annuities, can provide you with ongoing monthly amounts of passive income. If you're interested in buying an annuity, it's advisable to speak with a reputable financial counselor because the terms with annuities vary and are not always a great offer. These investments may not be suitable for everyone because they may have hefty costs. However, if you're seeking for a passive income stream and have no tolerance for risk, this can be an excellent option for your portfolio. Invest automatically in the stock market. There are other ways to invest passively in the stock market if choosing dividend-paying equities is not your thing, and I can appreciate that. Through something known as robo-advisor, you can invest automatically in different ways. A robo-advisor is exactly what it sounds like, a financial advisor that operates robotically. The system will take over once you spend roughly 10 minutes setting up your account and responding to a few questions. Betterment is the most well-known robo-advisor. You can set it up to invest automatically, and they will take care of the rest. Betterment is wonderful since it has some of the lowest costs in the robo-advisor sector and makes it very simple to invest automatically. Additionally, we just identified Betterment as one of the top recommendations for the best robo-advisors of 2022. They provide excellent service, and it's fantastic that you can obtain guidance from a live person. Invest in a REIT, or Real Estate Investment Trust. If you are hesitant to invest directly in real estate, or if you are not yet an accredited investor, that is acceptable. You can still gain from real estate investment by using REITs, or Real Estate Investment Trusts. These are real estate investment companies, and as the owner, you can profit from the gains, refinances, sales, and income of the property or loss. Our preferred REIT investment platform is Fundraise. They only ask for $500 initial commitment and provide several options we enjoy. Invest in a business. Investing in and acting as a silent partner in a company is another approach to produce passive income. Although this is extremely dangerous, the potential for big profits is present. For instance, a few years ago, Uber and Lyft were both looking for private investors to fund their businesses. They are now worth billions, but as an investor, you would only benefit if they went public through an IPO or were acquired, so it's dangerous. Nevertheless, there are strategies to lower your risk. For instance, by lending modest amounts to numerous businesses in the form of bonds, you can invest a tiny amount in them. There are now solutions available that allow you to lend money to a business and receive a respectable return on your investment. Revenue sharing notes. With the help of Mainvest, you can finance a firm that has committed to sharing a portion of its future profits with investors until they see a return on their investment. Starting a business investment can cost as little as $100, and you will eventually receive both your principal and your interest back. Lend to businesses for inventory. Worthy invest in bonds that have a 5% annual yield. Your money is taken, and it is then lent to small enterprises. Starting out costs are as low as $10. Worthy bonds, in our opinion, are a fantastic way to increase your wealth. We developed and marketed SEC-qualified bonds that support American companies while giving you a 5% yield with no fees and 24/7 access to your money. You can invest in this with confidence. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.